starting to get stiffer.
How do you know?
Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Muzzlehead Kevin.
And we're the Clark Brothers.
Welcome to Brothers Bistro. We're here for your health. That's right. Today we got something super special.
That's right. We got our star of the show, Copper Chef, perfect egg maker.
I think the star is this little poker.
Because we're gonna make some egg salad sandwiches, but we're gonna also make some cloud bread to go with it, so it turns this into a really healthy.
And we got the super cool hard-boiled egger. So if you're making like deviled eggs for the holidays or egg salad sandwich, this is the way to do it.
It's perfect for you. So when we come back, we're going to show you the ingredients of this bad boy.
Well, no. When we come back, we're going to show you how to use our hard boiler.
We aren't going to show them the ingredients?
No. Well, I think we should show them the hard boiler first.
Let's show them the ingredients. Let's show them the ingredients next.
Hey, he always wins, usually. So.
Hey, there's a reason why they say I'm the smart one and he's the pretty one. When we come back, we'll show you the ingredients. Before you get too excited, I know it looks like a lot. This should be over here because this is where all the egg salad is ingredients. So on this side over here, we've got just, hey, be careful.
Oh, look at that. It separates it out so nice.
What do we got? We're making the cloud bread. Cloud bread only has like 4 ingredients. Eggs, which we're gonna separate, the yolks and the whites. Cream of tartar, or tartar, I think they say. And Splenda, and some cream cheese.
Wow, that's pretty. I like that. I could do that one.
And then we're gonna make the egg salad. The egg salad has tomatoes, which we're gonna put on afterwards.
It's gonna be like a big thick slice.
We've got some bell pepper that we're gonna cut up. We got some onions. We got a little jalapeno. We got some celery. We got a little Greek yogurt, and we got 8 eggs.
But the fun thing with the eggs is we get to show them how to use our perfect chef.
Yes, our Copper Chef perfect egg maker. Perfect egg. And then we've got some spices here. We've got some Grey Poupon, and we got a little paprika, and we got some salt, and we got some pepper.
Right.
So when we come back, we're gonna start with the eggs, because that's gonna take a little while. Not huge.
Well, we're gonna show you our little quick machine, and it's kind of a quick and easy setup, but then it's gonna take a few minutes.
Exactly. What he said.
This is our perfect chef.
Perfect Copper Chef, perfect egg. Okay, we're back, and this is the first time for us, so this was highly recommended by our in-house expert.
Yeah, you know, there's lots of ways to do a hard-boiled egg, but this is kind of the simple way.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it. Okay, so this thing comes with a stand that holds like 15 eggs or something.
12 eggs,
right?
I think.
12? Is it 12? Okay, 12 eggs, but we only need 8. And one of the things that as you do is on the bottom of this is a little water dispenser. It has a little pokey thing.
Who's had their eggs crack on them and bleed all over in
right.
their hard boiled?
So this will help them not explode, I guess. So we'll take off the top here and oops, didn't mean to make all that kind of racket. Okay, and we've got 2 eggs already kind of started here. Go ahead, you want to poke some holes in the eggs?
I'll poke them and hand them to you. How's that?
Okay.
Wow, that was kind of enjoyable. Okay, hang with us. We're gonna get all these popped and in there, and then we're gonna add this water. We're gonna start that bad boy up, and it's gonna take, I don't know, 15 minutes, something like that.
So before we got started on camera, there's a little measuring line here for the 7 to 14 hard-boiled eggs, and so we got that much water in here, and we're gonna pour it down the center here.
So we measured it out already with our measurer.
It's already kind of heated up. I didn't realize we plugged it in and started heating up. So we got it plugged in. We're going to cover it.
And then we'll push the button.
And we'll push the button down there. Whoops. The button was on.
See?
Okay. Okay, my brother thinks he knows.
My brother knows. Okay,
so
we're gonna remove all the stuff. We're gonna let that thing do its thing, right?
It's 6:30 right on the dot, so we're gonna keep our eyes on it. It shouldn't take more than 5 or 10 minutes. You know, most of our viewers, they think we rehearse this stuff, but they don't realize we're reading the instructions right off camera just before we go. So the next step is to combine all these ingredients. We got cream cheese, we got egg yolks, and we got a packet
How much
of
Splenda? Packet, huh?
Yeah,
Whole packet?
Whole packet, that's what
all right,
it said.
so I'm gonna dump the packet in there.
Okay.
Because I can. And you're gonna dump in the cream cheese, and I'm gonna dump in the yolkers.
Go ahead, stir it up, baby.
Yolks are yucky. That's what my granddaughter says.
Is that gonna work for you?
I don't know. We'll figure it out. All right, so hang with me. I'm gonna mix this thing up here. Why don't you get started on that other one?
Well, we could get started on the other one. Basically, now he's mixing up the egg yolks that we're gonna fold into our cloud bread. I'm gonna do the egg whites, which we're gonna mix on this this stand mixer, KitchenAid stand mixer. And the only thing that goes into it is the egg whites, 3 egg whites, and the cream of tartare. So when we come back, we're going to be doing both of these things.
Hopefully we'll have this thing blended up
at the same time.
This is like when we made butter.
Right.
I'm still blending. This is like when I made butter.
Okay, we got our egg whites, and we're going to pour those in our egg mixer. And we got our cream of tartar, and it calls for 1/4 teaspoon. Put that in there. I have no idea what the cream of tartar does. Maybe someone in the studio audience can tell us why, because it's just a teeny bit of cream of tartar. Now we're going to put this down, and it says to mix it on high.
Until when?
Until we get stiff peaks.
Wow, Ken like that. Stiff peaks.
There's not much in there.
It's blending away. I don't know how long it's going to take. All right, Ken's bringing us in for the soft peaks. We want stiff peaks, but we got soft peaks. Soft peaks are going.
The egg whites are starting to change. You can see it. It's starting to get stiffer.
Okay, it's looking pretty good now. Look. Look in there. Oh, yeah. And then pull it, turn it off and pull it out. Let's see what she looks like. If she stands up tall and stays up tall.
That looks pretty good.
That's stiff, buddy.
Okay. Take that out. Set this off to the side for the moment. And we're going to fold in our egg yolks.
Okay, here we go. Yolks are yucky. Fold it in, buddy. Fold it in. Come on.
Okay.
Who came up with this?
Who knows?
Fold in the yolks after you stir the whites.
See, we got to fold.
You learned this from your sourdough, huh?
Yeah. Fold.
That's it? That's all you do?
Yeah, we don't want to stir it too much because we want to keep that egg white consistency from deflating. Oops.
Okay.
Got a little extra there. So just trying to get it kind of mixed in without compromising the egg whites.
Okay. So then what are you going to do?
And then we're going to get a big spoon and we're going to spoon out.
Do you want to do the spooning now?
Yeah, we're going to spoon out 8
All right, so let's see you spoon it out.
things here. Let me get a big spoon.
There's 1, a 2, a 3.
It doesn't look like enough.
We're going to get them in the oven and we're going to cook them for how long?
I have no idea.
All right, but the oven's set to 350, so we'll let you know when that big awooga goes off.
We're going in, buddy. Let me see. Okay, we got it at 300 degrees. We're gonna go in for 25 to 30 minutes.
So that's 7:30 to us. Ice bath. Okay, buddy. Nice and gentle. They could be hot. Look at that. Little zhuzh came out of the top. Well, that one we didn't poke it quite far enough or something. But it's fine because we're going to blend it all up.
What's the key with this ice bath? What does this ice bath do? Do you remember?
Well, it makes it shrink away from the shell, right? So
it makes it easier to peel.
So when you peel it off, the shell comes off of the egg a little easier.
Okay, there we got our 8 eggs. That was pretty cool.
Pretty easy, right? And there's not a lot of cleanup. There's not a lot of stuff. You just take this thing and put it off to the side, and some magic version comes.
All right, so when we come back, we're gonna peel our eggs and we're gonna start making up our egg salad while we're waiting for our
cloud bread
to bake.
Bob's your uncle. I'm gonna take one. I'm gonna get one done before you.
Put it in there. You're gonna have to cut it up. Do you have a knife?
I don't have a knife. I'm just pulling the eggshell off.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm pulling the eggshell off because they said this was the easiest way to do it. We don't know. We haven't done this.
We are not egg spurts.
But it did seem like it's peeling off okay. The skin of it. Try to keep the shells out because it's all going to be blended up. Okay. So, we're going to put all this stuff in here and then just blend up all this stuff.
Right.
Right? We can just dump it in, you think?
Yeah.
Or do we want to mash the eggs first?
Well, we were going to mash the eggs first.
Okay. Well, so that's not. So it's not the instruction. Huh?
It said to chop up the eggs.
No, we're not chopping up eggs. I'm learning from my brother. We're going to France this spring.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take some school by the pool. Chantal, if you're listening.
Escuela by la piscine, right?
La piscine. I don't know if it's scuela, because scuela is Spanish, but
Yeah.
whatever. My brother always gets it wrong. All right, so when we come back, we're gonna have these mashed up, and we're gonna start dumping in our other stuff.
That's right. We're going to make up the actual egg salad. So I'm just going around and I'm trying to squeeze all the egg whites through the fork. And where Kevin's just adding ingredients willy-nilly.
This is all of our chopped stuff, and then there's our
Paprika.
pepper and paprika.
Oh, right.
And so you're gonna scrape that out there,
Oh.
buddy. Oh, pal. Okay, you got it? Here's your last thing with your spoon there or with your fork. Put that in there, and then we're gonna mix that sucker all up. Let's go! Wow, that looks good.
Put it on the rack here. Oh. Wow. That was almost a disaster. Right here.
Go there. They're gonna go there like this.
Oh, I see.
Cool, buddy.
Oh, I see. Look how golden brown they are on the top. Wow. I don't know. They don't feel very substantial.
I was surprised. Were you surprised?
So I'm a little surprised.
What were you surprised about?
I'm surprised that you're surprised.
Well, I'm surprised about the cloud bread because it's really light.
Yeah, really light. So let's go in for a little taste test. You can eat this either as a salad, kind of the way we've got it prepared, or you can try and make a little sandy with it. The cloud bread's not super substantial. So.
Wow.
So you might be careful.
My cloud bread just kind of came apart in my hand. But it's yummy.
And the egg salad tastes really good.
Yeah, got a little zip to it.
A little zip to it from the jalapeno.
I think we went a little lighter on the jalapeno just because we were concerned that it would be too spicy, but I think we did good.
And it's crunchy with the celery and the bell pepper.
Mm-hmm.
Give it a try. Took us about 30 minutes or so to cook. This is definitely worthwhile. And it's something you can keep in the fridge for a few days.
It might be a good little party snack too, kind of a thing. Have a little egg salad.
Mm-hmm.
Make a little sandy.
All right, with that, Cloud Brothers Bistro, here for your health, baby.